In this video, you'll learn how to log into Ionos Webmail in a simple, stress-free way. Whether you're checking your email from a new device, setting things up for the first time, or just need a quick refresher, I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start with getting to the correct login page. On your computer, tablet, or phone, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any other modern browser you're comfortable using. In the address bar at the top of the window, type mail.ionos.com and press enter. This is the direct link to the Ionos Webmail login page. If for some reason that page doesn't load as expected, you can also go to id.ionos.com. That address takes you to the main Ionos login area from which you can access webmail as well. The important thing is that you're on an official Ionos site, so before you continue, take a second to check that the web address is spelled correctly and that your browser shows a secure connection, usually with a small padlock icon near the address. Once the page loads, you'll see the login form. The first thing you'll be asked for is your email address. Click into the email field and type your full Ionos email address exactly as it was created. That means including everything before and after the AT symbol, including your domain. For example, if your email was set up with a custom domain, make sure you use that full address. Be careful with spelling here. Even a small typo can prevent you from logging in. After you've entered your email address, move on to the password field. Here, you'll need to enter the password that was specifically created for that email inbox. This is the email account password you or your administrator set up in the Ionos control panel when the mailbox was created. It might be different from other passwords you use with Ionos, so try to remember which one is dedicated to this particular email address. When you type your password, remember that it's case sensitive. That means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. Make sure caps lock is not accidentally turned on, and double check any special characters or numbers. If your browser offers to show the password as you type, you can briefly enable that option to confirm everything is entered correctly, especially if you're on a private device. Once both your email address and password are entered, go ahead and submit the form. On most browsers, you can either click the login or sign in button on the page, or simply press enter on your keyboard. If the details are correct, you'll be taken into your Ionos Webmail inbox, where you can read, send, and organize your messages. If you see an error instead, it usually means either the email address or the password doesn't match what's on file. In that case, recheck your spelling, pay attention to any capital letters, and try again. If you still can't log in, you may need to reset the password from your Ionos account dashboard or contact your administrator for help. That's all there is to it. Open your browser, go to the Ionos Webmail page, enter your full email address, type the correct password for that mailbox, and sign in.